YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. You're probably watching this video because your furnace is blowing cold air out of your vents. In this video, we're going to talk about the 3 most common causes that lead to this. Let's get started. At the thermostat now, and it is now off. All right, YouTubers, downstairs in the furnace room now, and in most cases you have an additional power switch. Go ahead and put that in the off position. Cut any additional power going into your furnace. And the way I want to do this is I want to run through this in the likelihood order that will cause your furnace to blow cold air out of your vents. And the very first common cause I want to talk about will not cost you much money is your air filter. Number 1, you have the inlet flow, and then you have the exhaust or outlet flow. On your actual filter is an arrow, and you want to make sure you insert this filter properly, because in the event that you do not, your actual furnace will not be getting the proper airflow and ventilation that it requires. And if that's the case, it will detect that, and it will know that this is flipped because your furnace is not breathing properly, and then it will shut off the furnace portion. However, your fan will continue to blow, meaning all of your inlet air is coming in, which is room temperature, and it's going into the fan blade and motor, and it's being blown out throughout your house into your vents. And during that entire process, your igniter is not lighting the burners, and you are getting no heat whatsoever coming out of your furnace. So if that's the case, make sure you have your filter properly inserted and the arrow is pointing in the direction of the airflow. If it is, go ahead and take your furnace filter out, and you want to check and make sure it is clean, because if it is not, that also degrades the airflow or ventilation to your actual furnace. And that's not good, because what happens when you turn on your furnace, it goes through a 90-second test, meaning your fan motor and blade will spin for 90 seconds and run a self-test to ensure that it has proper airflow. And once it does, it sends the signal to the igniter heats up, the burners kick on, and you have heat. However, during that 90 seconds, if it does not get proper ventilation, it's never going to turn on. So change your filter. Common cause number 2, what we have to do is remove this cover plate. In most cases, it's very simple. In ours, it's just this little knob here. Untwist it counterclockwise. Careful as you pull this cover plate off. Set it in a safe location, and down to the inner workings of your furnace. And inside here is a limit switch, and this limit switch is extremely important. It does 2 very important things. And what I did was grab a flashlight. Again, this does 2 very important things. As you can see, inside there is your limit switch and 2 electrical wires feeding into it. The first thing it does is it does not allow the furnace to turn on until air inside your furnace is warm, and that's important. And that goes back to what we were just talking about with your air filter being clogged. And the second important thing it does is it acts as a kill switch to the burner if air temperature around the actual heat exchanger becomes too hot. Well, over time, that part fails, and as you can see, it's not a difficult part to change. It's got 2 electrical wires feeding into it and 2 screws that secure to the plate of the furnace. We have a step-by-step video. What I will do is link that video and scroll it above right now. You can click on that to replace your limit switch. So that is common cause number 2. Common cause number 3 is your igniter. And as you can see, way back, here's your burner tube. If you go to the tip of the burner tube, you will notice a little tab sticking up right there. It's a black little tab, and on the bottom portion, you have an electrical connection and wire that feeds all the way to right there. And over time, your igniter fails, and in the event that your igniter fails, guess what? It will never ignite your furnace, thus never actually igniting your burners, and you will never get heat out of your furnace. So with that said, those are the 3 most common causes that will lead to your furnace blowing cold air out of your vents. Hopefully one of these 3 common causes can get your furnace back up and running properly. Hopefully this helps. Do us a favor, YouTubers. Below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Hey, once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again for watching, YouTubers. And if you are curious what a dirty clogged filter looks like, there it is. When we purchased this house, this is what was inside the furnace. So chances are the furnace filter was not replaced in quite a while, which led to our furnace blowing cold air out of our vents.